Hi there, my name's John Erickson. I'm represented by MKM, and I'm located in Los Angeles, California, auditioning for the role of Bob.
What would you like us to do exactly?
What do I want you to do? I want you to find my phone!
Phones don't just vanish up in smoke. People lose them.
What?
You're gonna waste my time. I'm gonna waste your time. I'm counting to a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Come on, man!
What's so special about this phone anyway?
Look, do you have someone important in your life?
Of course I do.
Good. Who?
Well, since you asked, my mother. She recently passed, actually. It's been very hard for me.
What was she like?
She was the most wonderful woman in the world. We were very different people, politically, emotionally. Sometimes we had terrible arguments, but none of them mattered. When I was down, she knew exactly how to make me feel better. Some of my happiest memories are crying like a baby in her big arms. I'm sorry.
She sounds wonderful. What I'm trying to say is, the way you feel about your mother, that's how I feel about my phone. I know it sounds crazy, but that phone taught me things. It opened my eyes to new experiences, showed me the world. More than anything, it made me want to be a better man.
All right, I'll be straight with you. We have no lease. The chances of you getting it back are, well, it's impossible.
I'll find it, with or without you.